Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposits with Bluevine. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you got to do is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the web or mobile app. Once you're in, from the home screen, tap account information and then note your Bluevine's routing number and account number. Step 3, log into the payroll portal, gig platforms, or just government benefit sites where you normally receive funds. Next, go to payment settings or direct deposits and then select add bank accounts. Now you're going to enter your Bluevine account number and routing number exactly as shown and then choose checking as the account type. Now you're going to confirm whether you want your full paycheck or a percentage sent to Bluevine. Once that's done, save changes and wait for verification. Some employers test with a small deposit before switching over fully. And that's it. Your direct deposit will now flow straight into Bluevine. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.